Commodore 64 is an early 1980s personal computer. It's an upgrade from the VIC-20, a computer that had 20K of memory. I actually went to a computer class in high school where we used VIC-20s in the class. I would design simple programs using the computer language called BASIC. The Commodore 64 had 64K of memory. Later, Commodore developed the 128K computer, the next generation upgrade. The Commodore competed against a couple brands. Timex had 2K of memory. It was cheap and only had a keyboard that you could use by pressing the keys with a pen. I knew someone at school that owned one. They were not very practical. Tandy, Apple, Texas Instruments, and IBM had personal computers, but they were higher level. Atari had the 800 computer that competed directly with this model. What convinced me to go with the Commodore was the affordable price. I had a friend that had the cassette storage to load up games. It took forever to load a basic game. I was fortunate that my dad got the 5¼ inch floppy disk drive and monitor. Through friends at school, I was able to obtain pirate copies of various video games. Through different contacts, I established a network of resources. I had a bunch of games. My top 3 favorites were Jumpman, Jumpman Jr., and Ms. Pac-Man. The friend that had the cassette storage also bought a 5¼ inch floppy drive. His was a disk drive that had a lever that you would flip down to lock the disk in place. My floppy drive had the push mechanism with a spring that would remove the disk. You had to watch that your disk would not warp, otherwise it could get stuck in the machine. Downloading a game took a couple minutes, and you had a quality game. The monitor was a great investment. You couldn't get channels on the monitor, but if you hook up a video cassette recorder, and then you'd have a 14-inch television. I used the monitor as my first TV when I lived alone. The quality of the monitor was quite good. I still have my original manuals. One benefit with this system, it used the same joysticks as the Atari 2600. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link down below. You also may leave a comment, and I will respond. Cheers.